It's just going to stick to you, and then when you get, then the cold air is just going to make it cold. So you're going to stay cold, where moisture wicking is going to pull the sweat away and keep you drier and keep you warmer.
Our experts say that's because cotton comes from the ground and has a cellulose fiber which makes it super absorbent. Polyester is synthetic, made from plastic and coal, and it's great at wicking moisture. Hypothermia can happen when your clothes aren't warm enough or when they're wet, according to the Mayo Clinic. So we can verify, yeah, wearing cotton can increase your chances of developing hypothermia in cold weather. Now, we're working to freeze fake news right in its tracks. So if you've got any snow or cold weather-related verify questions, hit us up. You can find us on Facebook or Twitter or send an email to verify@WUSA9.com.
All right, my friend, pretty much everybody is closed, ready, and waiting to hear from you about the plan.
Right, and we mentioned this earlier. I'm going to mention it again. Don't want to sound like a broken record, but we reduced snow totals a little bit. Doesn't mean the roads are going to be any better. It's kind of like focusing on a hurricane, on winds, and forgetting about the flooding.
So still stay off the roads.
Still stay off the roads.
Yeah.
Still take it as seriously. Hopefully you got all your errands done tonight. So we'll do our latest call, and this is on our website. We have all kinds of stories on freezing rain and also, of course, on this storm. So 3 to 5 inches plus. There's a plus sign there. Gaithersburg, Leesburg, Frederick, North. In the metro, we're thinking 1 to 3. And I got to tell you, most of this is going to be in the form of sleet. Down to the south, we never expected much. We'll just go a trace to an inch for our friends in southern Maryland, Calvert County, St. Mary's County, and into the northern neck. So that's our call. We look at models and we decide what we think is going to happen. So here are the models, and they're sort of coming in line with this. RPM's still been pretty bullish, about 4 inches, but the NAM only about 2, and then 4, and then 2.5 for the European. So, and really a lot of that is going to be in the form of sleet. And when you sit down and you look at the what we call extracted numbers, you see that a lot of this is going to fall as sleet, and it has a different ratio than snow, so the numbers aren't as high. It's a monster storm. I mean, it's snowing now in Roanoke. The moisture goes all the way back to Kansas City. Snow goes all the way back to Iowa. In fact, the snow goes all the way back to the foothills of Denver. If you divide the storm that way, it's 1,600 miles wide. Here we are, Harrisonburg, a little bit of snow, still not into our immediate metro area, but it will move in over the weekend. So our snow meter for a storm, which includes sleet, is now a lock. Yeah. We're going to see snow, sleet, and freezing rain the whole bit. So we'll kind of break it down. So moderate to heavy snow, 6 a.m. to noon. And the roads are going to become dangerous and slippery very quickly because it's going to accumulate very fast. Now, the snow will go to a mix, north and west in the afternoon, and also to rain, D.C. south and east. However, we're also going to see, in addition to the moderate period of snow, a moderate to heavy period of sleet. In the metro, around the Beltway, we're thinking 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., and then it may linger a little bit longer north and west until maybe as late as 4 p.m. So this is not going to be remembered so much as a snowstorm, maybe more as a sleet storm. Now, freezing rain is also a possibility. This is one model. Most of the significant icing, 2/10, 3/10, Petersburg and Romney, not much in the metro. This other model, which has been fairly bullish on snowfall this winter, has a lot of ice. I mean, 4/10 in Leesburg would be a problem after you get 4 or 5 inches of snow. In fact, quite frankly, even when it kicks to rain and you've had snow, that will just add weight to the snow on the limbs of the trees. This would be, well, quite frankly, a disaster out toward Cumberland and Oakland with almost an inch of ice after 5+ inches of snow. Don't think it's going to be quite that bad, kind of in between. So we think power outages will be unlikely east of 95, isolated outages in the immediate metro area west, and then boom, you get out toward Romney and Cumberland, then you've got scattered outages. All right, so here's what we're thinking. A little bit of an ice storm out toward Cumberland, 1/2 inch or more, 3/10 to 1/2 inch along I-81, and then just light, 1/10 to 3/10, essentially up to I-95. You get south of that, you're fine. Okay, timing. 6 a.m., boom, we have snow in the metro, maybe not quite to Bowie, but snow elsewhere. Temps upper 20s, low 30s. 8:30, snow still in the metro, pretty good clip, not quite as darker blue as we had last night, and then a mix down to the south. And here comes sleet. This is going to all be sleet at 1 o'clock across most of the metro area. It's plain old rain into southern Maryland, and then the sleet hangs on, again, north and west at about 5 or 6 o'clock, but everybody goes to rain overnight, and some of that rain is going to be heavy. So, red weather alert on Wednesday, 32, 32. What's going to happen is the high is going to be before midnight, probably about 37. 56 on Thursday, maybe a morning shower, but not a bad day, and then boom, pleasant on Friday, 50.